Hello buddy, in this vlog I'm gonna to teach you some lesson which is very helpful to you. That I read every day 20 minutes to 30 minutes. That I understand you want to make any change in your life, you have to have a discipline in a day. Like you want to be a writer, write every day. Like you want to be a singer, sing every day. Even you are not feel ready, even you are not thought about it, but you have to thought it. You have a desire to want to be, and everything can possible. But you tell yourself always, no, it can't be done. It can't be done. But my thought is, everything can done. People thought, if I make a video, if I begin to do something, then people asking and arguing with me, why you are doing this? See, there is no one here and everywhere and nowhere who is judging you. See, you born, this is your responsibility to do something else. You wake up and you sleep and you eat. Only you have only this life. You want to be you want to change something, then you have to try something else. You see, every worker works 12 hours in a day. He has a discipline to earn something for his future, for his family. You have also a dream to change your identity and your life. Most people thinking that automatically life will change, but this is not true. This is not reality. You have to take a small action, then it will change. And you believing, oh, one day is came, automatically everything changed. Brother, this is life. This is life. Understand? It can't be changed automatically. It changes when you do something else. You see the electricity, it automatically built. No. A scientist worked 12 years, 10,000 times he failed, then he built electricity and make bulb. Every person failed in 3 times and 1,000 times after this success. And you are in 20, you are 25, then you failed 2 times and 3 times, then you say to yourself, no, it is enough, I am going to stop it. Why? Why are you going to stop it? You're going to start it again. This is a powerful speak you tell to yourself. Bro, you want to achieve something in your life, you have to be a different timetable. Doesn't matter you eating on the time, you sleeping on the time, no matter. Leave this question. If you want to do something else, then you don't fix your eating time and anything else. Even I don't know when I am eat, when I am sleep, because I'm in my progress. I start something, so I don't have any breakfast time and dinner time, not any else. But you have also a few things you have to learn. Is that wake up, eating and set your timetable. Don't feel who is watching. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. You can see. There's nobody. When you become older, even your son and daughter, they don't support you. This is the reality. So make yourself strongly. And finally, I reached my room. Over there, my room. And friend, is summer season is going on. Bye bye.